by 18 meters
Page 50.
by 5 meters. kg equal to 4 meters. Empty midship, so 25 midship compartment 25 meters by 18 meters. ये empty लिखता है. Example 2 is permeability 30%. Permeability 30% is bilged. Calculate the GM before and after bilging. Calculate the GM before and after bilging. Since there is no mention of a H in this question में कोई H का mention नहीं है, so therefore, so it is like case number 1. It is like case number 1.
Very, very clear.
If you look at the solution in the book, for example 2, have a look at the solution in the book, for example 2. You'll see one diagram of a hole, right?
Example 2 में ये 1 में
And in some of the public these things, he is using the concept of LCBC, length of the cargo and breadth of the cargo. ठीक है? So he uses the concept कि cargo center में बैठ जाता है, and therefore then cargo length of the hold में से length of the cargo हम subtract करते हैं. We are not going to follow that method. We are going to follow the concept that everywhere in the hold there is water and everywhere in the hold there is cargo. We are going to follow that concept. Okay? So let us start. Initial condition. Initial condition का मतलब है कि बिल्जिंग नहीं हुई है, हल इंटैक्ट है. That is the meaning of initial condition. So let us start. KB. अभी बिल्जिंग नहीं हुई है. KB. D by 2. D by 2. क्या ड्राफ्ट है मेरा? So KB कितना होगा? KB. KB is D by 2. BMT. IT by V is equal to B square by 12D. Is equal to B square by 12D. Is equal to 18 square by 12 into 5. How much? 5 point. Therefore, KMT is equal to KB plus BMT is equal to
1.9.
KMT minus KG gives me GMT. So 7.90 minus 4. Therefore GMT initial is equal to this is the initial GM of the vessel before the bilging happened. This is the initial GM of the vessel before the bilging happened. Now let bilging happen. So final condition. Let bilging happen. So, calculate lost buoyancy, calculate intact waterplane area, calculate mean sinkage, and calculate new mean draft. All this you should be able to do. Now we are letting bilging happen. Lost buoyancy?
Yes. 675.
675. IWPA?
2250.
MS?
0.3.
How much?
2250
2250 नहीं है?
नहीं है.
2565
Lost होगा. Lost होगा. So permeability लगानी है. Lost होगा. MS 0.263. Now, let us find out KB1. Let's find out KB1. Half of new draft. Half of new draft.
2.632.
Now, BM1 is equal to IT intact divided by V. IT intact is moment of inertia of the intact monoplane area, which is IT initial minus PIT lost divided by V. जितना मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया बचा हुआ है, पहले इनिशियल मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया माइनस P टाइम्स ऑफ द लॉस्ट will give me the moment of inertia remaining बचा हुआ, that is IT intact. IT initial is LB cube by 12 minus P times small I LB cube by 12 divided by V. पहले V को हैंडल कर लेते हैं. V वॉल्यूम, रिमेंबर V initial is equal to V final is LBD 150 into 18 into 5 initial draft.
Yes, sir.
Initial, right? Because the volume initial is equal to volume final.
1353.
135. This is my initial volume, which will be the same as my final volume also. Which will be the same as my final volume, my basic principle. तो ये मेरा डिनोमिनेटर हो गया. अब न्यूमरेटर में आ जाता हूँ. Now I am on the numerator. So 150 into 18 cube divided by 12. So IT intact, this is the numerator, is equal to 150 into 18 cube by 12 minus 0.3 into 25 into 18 cube by 12. Do this very carefully. ये एक बनेगा. This is the numerator only, ऊपर वाला पार्ट. कितना आता है?
डायरेक्ट ही कर दिया सर मैंने तो 5.13 आ रहा फाइनल. ये
5 point final आ रहा है सर.
अच्छा अच्छा. So DMT बता दो.
5.13.
5. सबका सेम आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
So basically जो भी वैल्यू आई IT divided by this 13,500 will give me this DMT. All right. Find out KMT. Find out KMT 5.13 plus 2.632 7.762 minus kg, which remains constant, 4 will give me GMT final. is equal to 3.762. 3.762. So as we can see, the GM has reduced. The GM has reduced. हाँ जी, any doubts? Volume बता देना. Volume is LBD. Volume is LBD and volume initial is equal to volume final. तो मैंने initial ले ली. Volume initial is equal to volume final. So मैंने LBD length 150 into breadth 18 into initial draft 5.
I intact also ये कैसे आया है?
I intact कैसे आया? I intact basically moment of inertia remaining ये blue वाला part. Second moment of water plane area of the remaining water plane area. So initial water plane area will be Q by 12 minus P times the lost. माइनस P टाइम्स द लॉस्ट. सो जो कार्गो यहाँ पे फ्लोट कर रहा है इसके ऊपर में वाटर प्लेन एरिया में यहाँ पे P टाइम्स द लॉस्ट विल बी माई रिमेनिंग वाटर प्लेन एरिया. बिकॉज जो कार्गो इसमें फ्लोट करेगा, जो बैग्स फ्लोट करेंगे या कार्गो फ्लोट करेगा, द कार्गो इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द शिप, द वाटर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द सी. The cargo is a part of the ship, but the water is a part of the sea. Is that okay?
Correct.
हाँ जी, any other doubt? Generally in a question, you are not going to be asked the initial. ये खाली बस एक बार ही करा रहा हूँ मैं. Generally in a question, you are going to be asked GM in the final condition. सीधा. So that means you will start from here. Generally ये पूछा जाएगा. So आप ये करोगे नहीं अगर जब तक पूछा ना गया हो. So this is only one time I am doing this, the initial वाला. इसके बाद सीधा फाइनल पे ही जाओगे.
FSC का कोई हाथ नहीं है.
FSC का कोई हाथ ही नहीं है because that is a part of the दरिया. It's a part of the sea. So FSC का कोई हाथ ही नहीं है. That's a part of the sea. So FSC का. Any other doubt? Okay. Let's come to example number 3. Let's come to example number 3. shape vessel 220 meters by 36 meters by 10 meters. KG12. MTDB tank 20 meters long, 18 meters wide. H is 1.8 meters. H is 1.8 meters.